She look absolutely beautiful. (2018) Chevy Camaro ZL1 currently has 25,000 miles on it. Sound absolutely stunning. It's the beast. Sound insane. I got the AWE track edition. Actual back exhaust. Sound nasty. Phenomenal. Don't ever buy it. I regret, because sounds so loud and I hate the wrongs. It's like going slow speed is okay, but when you're going faster, it's absolutely so loud from the inside. So that's my stock exhaust right here. I'm going to install the X pipe next and put the OEM muffler back to it, so sound lighter, because this is too loud. I regret without a muffler, that's why. Don't buy it.